Okay, we're going to do a taste test challenge with 4, what would you call them? Coffees, iced coffees. So we got the espresso, Starbucks double shots. Then we've got an Arctic coffee, cafe latte. And then we've got Jimmy's iced coffee original. And then we've got another Starbucks, but with no added sugar. So here we're at about 4 grams of sugar. Here we're about 5 grams of sugar. Here we're about 8 grams of sugar. And here we're about 9 grams of sugar. Okay, this has got sweeteners in it, so I will not be having it again. This one seems unusual ingredients. This one seems okay, and this one seems the best kind of ingredients. This is what they look like when you pour them out. A bit darker here. A bit darker for Jimmy's as well. I think the non-added sugar ones are probably the lightest. I thought I'd have a quick look at the milk. So we've got 75% basically full fat, 75% full fat, 75% skimmed, and 62% semi-skimmed. Okay, now let's do a taste test. So here I go. Good. Nice. Bitter coffee. I kind of prefer the Starbucks though. That's sweeter. I think Jimmy's is probably the plainest. Yeah. Pretty much exactly the same as the sugared version. But I don't do sweeteners, so that's out. So this is my order of preference. I like this one. It's sweet, it's coffee. This one is plainer, but there's a coffee kick to it. This one's the plainest of them all. If you just wanted to swig something, that's the one to go for. If you want a nice iced coffee hit, it's the Starbucks. Oh well, there we go. Artic's not that bad.